Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a twisted headband. So first you're going to need a stretchy fabric or a lycra material. Mine is a lycra material. It has glitter on one side and the other side is just plain. It stretches on both sides, but it stretches on one side more than the other side. And this fabric I cut it out, was cut out from a gown actually, so it has a bit of joining on both sides. So now we're going to fold the fabric into two and measure the length we have 22 inches, and for the width we're going to measure it to check. The width is 4 inches, so we're just going to measure half inch to fold so we can sew it out and turn. After folding it out, we're going to take it for proper ironing to make sure the fabric is relaxed, is not puffy. When we're done, we're going to hold one part of the fabric, the end part, fold it into two and cut out a V shape. You can measure 1 inch from the middle part and then you slant it towards the top. You just cut out one part. We need a V shaped at the end of the fabric. You're going to repeat the same for the other side. Alright, so after you've arranged your fabric just like this, the first one, you're going to place the first V down, and you take the V from the other part and then you adjust it on top. Then you take one again from the first side you took before you got the other base from the other side. That's going to be the third placement, and then the fourth one is going to be on top of the other one. So after organizing it like that, the four are already organized, four already arranged. So this means repeating the same process again so that you can see clearly. When we've done that, you're going to go to the machine and then you're going to stitch it up. Please do well to also trim out the excess by the time you're done stitching so that part doesn't look puffy. So here's the same version of the twisted headband, just that is on another fabric. So that's all for the video. This is the headband. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.